A safety and health accident records template is a structured document used to capture, organize, and track all incidents, accidents, and near misses that occur in the workplace. It serves as an essential tool in promoting a safe and healthy work environment by helping companies identify trends, implement corrective actions, and ensure compliance with legal and company requirements. This template not only improves accountability but also supports proactive safety management by providing clear documentation for future reference and investigations. By maintaining accurate records, organizations can better protect their employees and reduce the likelihood of repeated incidents. So, let's start exploring how to use this template effectively. The bar chart at the center of the template, titled Accident Record Status, provides a visual summary of the different types of accidents recorded over a specific period. It's designed to help users quickly understand the overall safety performance at a glance. The chart includes 4 colored bars, each representing a category of accident severity. Minor accidents shown in green indicate less serious injuries that required minimal or no treatment. Moderate accidents, represented by the yellow bar, involve injuries that may require medical attention but are not life-threatening. The serious accidents category, in red, reflects incidents that result in significant harm or time off work. Severe accidents, shown in purple, involve major injuries with long-term effects. Finally, the fatal accidents gray bar represents the most critical incidents resulting in loss of life. Using this chart allows management to easily monitor trends, identify areas needing urgent attention, and support data-driven decisions to improve workplace safety. The shape on the left displays the total number of recorded accidents, currently showing 9. Capturing all records is important for accurate analysis, trend tracking, and ensuring corrective actions are taken to prevent future incidents. The shape on the right shows the current date, helping users track when the latest data was recorded for accuracy. Searching by date range in a template is important for filtering and reviewing specific records over a set period. It helps identify trends, monitor progress, or investigate incidents more effectively. In this case, on the right side of the template, we have 2 mini tables designed for searching accident records using date ranges. To use them, simply enter the start date and end date. Once you adjust these dates, the value in the merged cell below will automatically update to reflect the total number of records found within that specific period. Let's navigate to the Accident Report Form worksheet. This form is designed to capture details of a single accident record at a time. It's clean, simple, and user-friendly, making it easy to input key information without having to scroll through a large table. The benefit of capturing data one record at a time is that each accident gets its own unique focus. Using an accident ID, the form retrieves other related details automatically for the entire row. This is made possible through a combination of the VLOOKUP and IF functions. This ensures accuracy and consistency in the data pulled from the main worksheet table in the next sheet. Please watch my tutorial on Excel formulas and functions to better understand how these formulas are working behind the scenes. This is the overview of the data table, capturing all accident records in rows for easy tracking, sorting, and analysis. Above the table is a mini summary table highlighting key insights from the main accident records. The Notes and Instructions worksheet provides essential guidance on how to use the entire template effectively. It includes explanations of each section, data entry rules, and tips to avoid errors. Users should always refer to this sheet before entering data to ensure accuracy, consistency, and proper use of the template. I will now put the video on fast forward as I demonstrate how each of these buttons works, just to save time while still showing the full functionality in action. The search button is a powerful feature designed to help users quickly locate specific information within large data tables. Instead of manually scrolling through hundreds of rows, you simply enter a keyword, ID, or value into the designated search cell and click the search button. Excel will then highlight or bring focus to the matching record instantly. This not only saves time but also reduces the chances of data entry errors by ensuring you're referencing the correct record. It's especially useful in employee tracking, complaint logs, or health screening forms where quick access to accurate data is crucial for analysis. The Add New Row button is a real-time saver, especially when the table contains many rows. Instead of manually scrolling to the bottom to insert a new row, this button instantly adds a fresh row in the correct position. It streamlines data capturing, reduces errors, and helps keep your workflow smooth and efficient. The Delete Row button is very useful when managing large tables with many rows. Instead of scrolling through numerous entries to find and remove a specific row, this button quickly deletes the selected row instantly. It helps maintain clean, accurate data by removing unwanted records efficiently, saving time and minimizing mistakes during data capturing processes. The Save as PDF button lets you highlight a specific range within your large table and save only that selected data as a PDF file. This feature is very useful for capturing and sharing particular sections of your data without including the entire table, helping keep your reports clear, focused, and well organized while leaving other rows unaffected. The Save as Word button allows you to highlight and select a specific range within your large table, then save only that chosen data as a Word document. This is especially useful when you want to extract and save particular rows without including the entire table, making data capturing more efficient and organized, while keeping other rows untouched and intact. The Save as Word button on the report worksheet automatically saves a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a Word document. You don't need to select any range, making it quick and easy to export the entire report layout for a specific complaint. This ensures consistent formatting and saves time when sharing standardized reports without extra steps. The Save as PDF button on the report worksheet is designed to export a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a PDF file. You don't need to manually select anything, just click the button and your complaint report will be saved instantly with the correct layout. This simplifies the process, especially when you need to generate uniform reports quickly and professionally for documentation or sharing purposes. Thank you so much for watching this overview tutorial. I hope you now understand how to effectively use the Customer Complaint Management template to track and manage complaints efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Don't forget to also check out my other videos where I cover more Excel templates and automation tools designed to boost your productivity.